Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You've got the pot cooled and a sink cleared. Start now by scraping out loose bits with a wooden spoon. Pour in hot tap water to cover the bottom and add 1/2 cup baking soda. This raises pH and helps lift grime. Let it soak for 15 to 30 minutes. The baking soda will break up carbonized food, so scrubbing is easier. Once done, drain and reserve the softened residue so you can attack it in the next step. You'll scrub now. Apply dish soap and use a non-abrasive scrubber to remove softened deposits. Circle motions prevent swirl marks. If burnt-on patches persist, add 1 tablespoon white vinegar to an inch of water and simmer for 5 minutes. The acid loosens mineral and carbon buildup. Once simmered, turn off heat, let cool slightly, then scrub again. Vinegar plus heat chemically helps lift residue without harsh abrasives. Make sure to rinse thoroughly and check for any remaining spots before proceeding to polish. You finish by rinsing with hot water and drying immediately to prevent water spots. Buff the surface with a microfiber cloth in the direction of the grain for a consistent shine. For rainbow or heat stains, wipe with vinegar or a stainless steel cleaner to restore color because mild acids remove oxide layers safely. If you find pitting, deep scratches, or persistent corrosion, stop heavy scrubbing. These are structural issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.